Why do we say LaVivid offers the best customization service for hair systems? LaVivid has its own factory and we have more than 20 years of experience in the hair industry, especially in men's hair systems. LaVivid is committed to delivering the best non-surgical solutions to men who are experiencing hair loss. Each hair piece is individually handcrafted and designed with your needs in mind. Here at LaVivid, the customer comes first, and we strive to make every customer's hair loss journey a little bit easier. LaVivid has its biggest ventilation center located in southwest China, Guizhou province. The most valuable thing is our craftsmen. Every one of them is proficient in Miao embroidery. Miao embroidery is a traditional embroidery art handed down from generation to generation. Miao embroidery is characterized by unique techniques, various stitches, symmetrical design, and substantial and gorgeous patterns. The Miao embroidery technique is quite similar to hair system ventilation techniques, and LaVivid has managed to train their specialists to also master hair system ventilation techniques. The finished hair systems are much more exquisite than other hair products on the market. They can actually be called pieces of art. With its high production capacity, LaVivid is able to guarantee a 4 to 6 week processing time for normal custom order and 6 to 8 weeks for super complicated ones, such as a full cap, wig, or silk base. Without a doubt, this is the quickest turnaround time for any custom orders that you can find on the market. Whether you are looking for a particular base, color, length, density, curl, etc., we can make it all happen. We make the whole order process super easy and friendly. We can send you a shipping label for sending over your template and hair samples, etc. to our factory directly. We also continuously strive to optimize our procedures, trying to save as much time as possible so that we can deliver your custom order quickly. We stand by our products, and if there is any quality issue with your order, we are always available to help you sort out the issue and provide appropriate solutions such as repair or replacement. Here at LaVivid, we also provide specialized customer service to your needs. We can have our experts schedule a call to discuss your custom order details, and we can guide you every step of the way to ensure you have the perfect hair system that you always wanted.